Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest 49. About a minute to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. Not many goals today, just no silly mistake, no really silly mistakes. The bi-weekly I think I did okay, so hopefully I just kind of keep that going. Yeah, that's pretty much it. 40 seconds to go. A little bit tired, but not too tired. Hopefully, I don't have any excuses, and I just do well. My rating's been poor lately. Though honestly, some of it I blame on Leetcode, but at end of the day, like it'll come back up. I'm not really that worried. It's just we bouncing around. But yeah, 20 seconds to go. This is a contest live video, right? I mean, maybe not live, but live recording. Definitely, if you want explanations, check out the description for links to those videos. And yeah, hopefully, let's go. 5, 4, 3. Good luck, Larry. Come on, go, go, go. Better lucky than good. Oh, double palm again, maybe? A 7 and 8 pointer, huh? Okay, so you have to be fast on the early ones. Okay. Okay, so everything. Okay, fine. This is such a weird thing, but okay, fine. Oh wait, what? Oh. Not just the index, okay, fine. Okay. Are they unique? Yep. Okay, so then now, whatever, why am I writing this? At least this is not a trivial problem, I guess, that's good. Okay, I went right in the clean way. Okay, 6. Ooh, where? Oh. Soft. 6, 16, 16, 4, 23, 45. Okay, let's go, go, go. Okay. Are they the same problems? This one has an additional thing. I don't know how they're different though. And it's also different, so it's a little bit longer. Okay. Let's do it dumb way first. Especially with hard. Wow, 11 people got this already. People are fast. Oh, okay. So. Link to the shortest path. Okay. And it's 500. Query this one. So for each query, you just write 500. So that's fine, right? That's DP, right? I can see why people are so fast, but that's still really fast. Okay, fine. Yeah. One, two, three. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. Right, that's fine. Maybe there's a better math to do this. This is why, and maybe like people already got this one. No, so that's weird actually. That people are so fast. I guess you could do it in sec3 pretty fast, but still. dp of A is equal to dp of B plus 1. For x in range from A Oh, this is after everything, right? So, okay, fine. I think I did this the weird way. This is 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. I thought about just slowing it down because people are solving it so fast, but I'm a little bit ditzy about this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So then now you have 1, 2, 3, and then 3 to 5. Did I do this wrong? I mean, clearly, but I did rush it a little bit. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, huh. Because then now this doesn't update this. No, I should. So I should go from 3. Oh, I am dumb. How do I do this then? How so many people getting it? Am I just being dumb? I am being dumb somehow, but I thought I could just update it this way, but no, you need the other paths too. But if you do a thing for each query, that's too slow, right? And this is already not a good contest. How is this Q2? Is this Q2? Am I right? I mean, people are getting it, so I'm just being slow and dumb. Okay. I mean, this update is not correct. That's why I have to do the other paths. Okay. How? Well, the path always gets smaller. That's for sure. And also, I messed up by deleting the thing, but I think that's fine. Or like, I guess the order doesn't matter. Oh, the order matters. Huh. This is a struggle. And there's a difference. 3 people got in that one, so how am I doing it n square? I mean, how can you do it in n square or even faster? Because there's only 500 previous rows. So then now it's just, it can, okay, I see. Okay, so you have this. Oh no, oh, wow. Today I'm going to get destroyed. I don't know why I don't know this one. I'm just stuck on TP. Okay, let's focus. If it's sec 3, I'll be way sad. Focus. Am I just being dumb? I guess it is just by first search, right? Because by first search is linear. You're dumb, Larry. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. At least get an answer, Larry. For Q2, this is so bad. For some reason I thought this would be too slow. Maybe I was thinking of the other one. But okay, fine. This is disappointing, actually. I just suck at math. Okay. What was it? 5? I guess I might as well spend an extra 20 seconds doing this. Okay. Okay. What's the difference again? There are no 2 queries such that this thing happens. And then there's also a Q4, which no one's got, so let's focus on this one then, maybe. This is a disaster. Okay. So now n is big. Okay. Okay. Such that something about this. So there's no intersection. Okay, what does no intersection mean? Means that if there's no intersection, that this crops is going to be 2. I mean, you can't even do n squared, right? There's a lot of queries. So that means that you basically have to do it in log n. The no intersection means that you always want to go to a point in which there's a beginning, right? No intersection. Yeah, so that means that here, and you want to go as far as possible, right? So basically, for each one, you want to go to the next one, and that's the distance. So then it's just the critical points. Not always the next one, it's just the next beginning point. Right? And then just sum it all up. Okay. No intersection means that. Okay, so now, right, if I have a sec tree, how do I want to do it? Square root decomposition. Can I do square? What's it? 10 to the 5th? 100,000. How would the square root decomposition work? No, you can't do square d squared. That's too slow still because it's on each query. So you have to be faster still. We have an hour. And I was way slow in Q2, so I have to solve this to not lose a lot of weight. It's fine though. But okay. Still no one's gotten it. I'm not gonna even try. But that's maybe because people are trying this one though. Alright, let's take a look real quick. Oh, there's a change thing, so then now you have to I don't know. It seems like people would have gotten it if people are smart. Or like the smart people would have gotten it. Union fine. Because basically we just want to maybe union fine. So now we just combine 2 and 3, and then we just have the number of nodes, and the number of nodes is the thing, right? I think that sounds right. Okay. How do we have to be smart in the unioning there. Okay, yeah. I think I have an idea, but also need size, which is how far it extends. Oops, nope. Because it never overlaps. Okay, fine. Oops, where am I writing it? We want the root to always be the smaller one. Yeah, why not? I think it should be okay. And A is always going to be less than B, I think. So then now we want the parent of UB is equal to UA. And then the size of UA, size of UB. Okay. And then now, yeah, okay, for so then now maybe we start with distance is equal to n, right? Yeah. Oh, n minus 1, I guess, is the shortest path always in the beginning. But you can't use this on the other one because this intersection thing doesn't exist, right? So, okay, then now we want to say okay, size of oops, that's terrible. Okay, so then that means that yeah, we start from So if the size is 1, then we do a plus size minus 1. No. A plus size, we want to do from a plus size to from this to b minus, or not including b. So okay. I think this is right, but it has to do, you have to do some skipping. Alright, so okay, fine. While a this should always be true, actually, because of the no overlapping. If not, then I'm a little bit weird. Yeah, that should always be true. Is less than b, because we want to combine it to b minus 1, right? Then we want to union a, and also a plus s. But then now we have to count the number of distinct components. So okay, so that means that okay. Okay. Right. But this means that one thing has been removed, so distance 1, right? In theory, oops, because I need them both places. It's more like a do while. 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. YOLO submit. Okay, so this is wrong. I mean, I don't think I have any idea anyway, so it's fine to have a wrong answer on this one. But okay, 1, 4, and then 2, 4. Oh, because then now it merges. Okay, so if it's okay, so if this is not the case, then we just continue. Oh well. Because we already merged it with either b, or it cannot go further, right? What's the answer for this one? Is it just 2, 2? 0? Yeah, probably. Is it? Is that right? Because it's 0 to 1 to 4. Oh, 4 is the last number. Okay, fine. Yeah, okay. So maybe I didn't need that. YOLO. Okay. Whew. Now, I guess, I mean, I did need it to assertion, but maybe that was fine. How many people got it? 91. Okay. No one's gotten this one, so we'll see. I got 10 minutes penalty though. This one hurts a lot, honestly, but this one makes it a little bit better. Okay. We have about an hour. Let's do. Was it 8-pointer? 8-pointer. Okay. Okay. And it's a circular thing. Okay. So queries one subsize determine the count of alternating groups with size subsize. What does that mean? Each time the group except for the first and the last, has a different color from the adjacent ones. Change to 0, baby. Kind of. With size 4. Oh, I see. So it's the okay. The group is of size 4, not each one it within. Huh. Okay. I mean, I understand the problem, but. And the whole thing is a little bit funky. What does alternating mean? Can I do this with Sectree? I'm always thinking about Sectree. One person got it though. Congrats to whomever that is. Props to that. So we pre-process it. Okay, let's see. I'm using my pencil and paper. Okay. So let's say we have. Maybe we should just pre-process for alternating, right? Then now we have 2, 2, 1, which is actually pretty awkward, honestly. And then now we change the color of 0, then now you have 1 in a row, so then it's just now, but then now it changes to 1, 2, 2, which is also very awkward. There's still an hour left, right? I'm not. Oh no. Yeah, okay. Just want to make sure that I don't got the hours wrong. I don't even have any idea how to. Oh, let me double check. Okay, 5 times 10 to the 4. Yeah, I don't really have any idea about this yet. I mean, other than for loops, that'd be funny if you can do it in Java or some language really fast. For I such that. Okay, fine, whatever. Have some idea first. I mean, changing makes sense. Okay, so there are only 2 colors. Okay, I just want to make sure because this weird concept, I think. Okay, well, we just did the same color, so it's 1, 2, 1, 1. So then now you have. I mean, that seems like that could work. The same idea as before. The circular thing is a little bit awkward, but then now it just becomes this longest string of 1s. The sum of all of them, which is actually very awkward. Is it Sectree? Because the thing is that, yeah, the size with size is the tricky thing, because that could. And then also sec3, you have to kind of handle the last thing manually, maybe, which is very awkward, honestly. But it does remind me of that sec3 problem that I had. So with the things, right? What was the? Sorry, I'm just like looking up the sec3 problem that we had maybe like a month ago. That I think Gia and Lenny taught me how to do it, or like gave me the idea to do it. But I don't know if I could find it very quickly though. What was it? It was the thing with, oh, that was one of the problems one of the contests I didn't solve the Q for, so I could find it that way, maybe. 3 out, I guess I've had a lot of 3 out of 4 contests. Maximum score from grid operations, nope. Oh no, it wasn't that one. That one was a hard one. Construct string with minimum cost, I don't think it was that one. I have a lot of problems, but I don't get it anymore, I guess. Maximum sum of subsequence with non-adjacent elements. Is that the one? It is the one. Okay. I think that this is the idea. Let's see. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know if this is true, but I have this segment tree, and then now so before I have this thing, so then now I just have to do the combine in a good way. So the build doesn't really matter. I don't think I care about the build. Do I use this? I don't think I use this. Oh, I guess I do use this here as the initialization. Okay, fine. But combined with the left with the right, so each node should have left and right? So no, left and right, the values are what you care about. So what you should care about is the left values, right values, or left value, right value, and then the longest within, right? Okay, fine. I don't know. I don't know if this is right, honestly, but okay. And then now update, everything should be well. Okay, this thing. I want to put things here so that I remember to do these. That's why. This is. I don't even know why that is, but okay. So I think this is good. I think this is good. So I just have to implement combine and also update. Update is fine. We can fix update, but I guess maybe I should put this as the same idea. It's a little bit cleaner. Okay, so then now, if then the default value is going to be on the left side or on the right side, and the length is 1, right? 1 alternating thing. I don't know how to do the query though. How do you do the query? Okay, so you're able to get the max alternating length, which is cool, but not the count, because that's not sufficient, because there could be components of it, right? Maybe I don't know. Maybe this is not the way then. If it was getting the max, then actually this would be good. I think this would solve it. But I don't know how to do it this way. I mean, max is a component of it, but then the query is tricky. Even this is a little bit awkward anyway. I think I need to extend this to be left ordering and then the right ordering, but then you're going to run into issues with just yeah, then you have to combine it all the time, and then each query will, this update is fine, but then this update is fine, the size is tricky to handle. Maybe it's not that. Is this square with decomposition actually? No, because where is it? Each query will take all of n. No, that's too long still, because then it becomes all of for each query we do square root of n. So it's n square root of n. What is that again? 5 times 50,000 square root. What is that? 223 times. It's 11 million. Is that fast enough? I don't know. And then you have to also deal with the thing. Actually, I don't know. I don't think this is the way though. If this is getting the max, I think this actually probably works in some way. But I don't think this is the way now that I think about it a little bit more. 1,200 submissions now. How am I? Ooh, I'm pretty low in here. A lot of people got Q3 really fast, seems like. So, oh, maybe, I don't know. Okay, maybe I'm okay, but yeah, silly mistake on Q2, and also just took so long because I don't know. I don't even have any idea, to be honest, but yeah, I don't know. I'm still trying to think about how to do it with SegTree. I don't think I could do it quite this way. I think it's just some count of counts. Have to do some summing. I don't know how to quite do it. I don't know. This seems like a good problem to give up on, to be honest. But because I'm not sure that I know the idea about it, or not even idea, just like maybe certain specific things. Does that say you have components? You still have to answer the queries very quickly for this size. And you have to enter them in order. Because I guess the one idea that I always can do is doing this in a different way, right? Or different different order as the queries, which sometimes works. But how many POs got it? Okay, so if you do the combination thing, then the answer is just the number of. No, it's not. Let's say you union find order things. Yeah, and you kind of combine and uncombine them. Can I change the thing? Can I change it to prefix some? Okay, so one way to do it is just pretend the odd even thing is the tricky one. We could handle that one actually, honestly. So if it wasn't circular, then you could convert alternating things. So then now it becomes the number of groups with the same size. But you still have to do like a loop over the number of groups, which is a little bit slow. Yeah, 137 is not that bad, I guess. But okay, what would you do if it's not circular? And then we can work on that. Okay, so then now we change the colors so that you only have to find same colors. I still don't know how to get the of size and sum it all up in a good way. What is this one? Oh, this is just changing. That's the all changing. Okay, fine. Okay, so the size has to be at least 3. It's getting the count that is tricky for me. Like getting, if it was max, I feel like I know how to do this one. But it's okay, so let's say you have the same colors. Then how do you sum them? Even if you are able to dynamically do it. Because the answer changes more than that, right? How many people has gone Q3? 300. Honestly, I just don't have any ideas. Try to see what alternating to group 2 is on Leetcode. Seems like I did it. It's the same one except for counting the just return the number, which I guess we could do with a for loop. Okay, that's not interesting enough. What data structure am I thinking? I don't even have a data structure. Can I do a seg tree? Is it really seg tree? Oh. You can't even do n squares, obviously too slow. Oh, n times q anyway. Good. We'll have to be zeros or just no. What ones are fine too. But then I don't know. I still don't know how to. You have to combine some stuff. Like if it was a fixed size, then I could pre-process the size. That would actually, and then that could have a solution. But I don't know about all. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get this one. That would be funny if n square works. I don't even think I can do square root decomposition. I don't have any idea with size, because the size is a variable. Right? I mean, and we have enough queries that we cannot, filter on it easily. I really don't have any idea on this one. Maybe I don't even have any idea to upsolve it, so I need like a little bit of a hint. If I were to kind of give this a serious attempt. Or at least to know whether I need something crazy. Like, it may be that we need something crazy, I don't know. 8 people's gotten it. That seems pretty low, right? 203, that's a little bit sad. Yeah, because of the 10-minute penalty. About the 10-minute penalty, I actually would have been pretty okay, I guess. Yeah. I should have thought about that test case, but whatever. Go ahead and skip to this one though. Doesn't seem very likely. I really just don't even have any idea. Like, it's not like I'm grinding, I'm just stumped. Like, if size is 2, what does that mean? You have to go for any group. What is the max number of... If they're all the same, then what happens? You have a lot of groups, but... Yeah, I don't know. I hate to like kind of just give up, but I really don't even have an idea of how to handle the size. Usually I at least have some kernel of... It is definitely very demoralizing. to you know, see so many people try it. So like, I don't know that I am top 10 people on this particular bar. Because it's not DP. It's, I mean, I still think it's maybe some variation of sig tree, but I just don't know how to handle it. I don't know how to handle the queries. I don't even know how to handle the queries in a good way. Definitely not, you know, knowing how to be, because the answer changes even without you changing the query, right? You can have just like all type ones, and then it is just very awkward. And I don't even know how to solve that, even if there's no type 2. Honestly, maybe that's a hint to myself. What if you have only, well, if you only have query type 2, then it is very easy because you don't have to return anything. But okay, what if you only have queries of type 1? How do you sum it up fast enough? I'm gonna use the bathroom while I think about this because I don't know. I'm not gonna need that much focus anyway. BRB. I mean, I'm still thinking, but I'm, you know, it's not like I'm saying anything out loud. I'm just gonna use the bathroom. Get the problem changed so I can actually solve it. Each tile in the group except the first and the last one has a different color from its adjacent. Oh, I guess it's just the same. It's still a very weird phrasing, but okay. I mean, it is just probably the English definition. Yeah, I mean, even the sig tree, I still don't know how to do it with, even without the changing. How do you just handle with different sizes? I don't know. That is my number. So yeah, even about queries too. That'll be I guess that's a hint of a progression for me. But I still don't know how to do it, so I can't even solve it that way. So you have this. At least not with a for loop. It's not a non-linear. Get some water real quick. Here's at least 3. Why is 3 important? Why not just 1? Well, 1 is trivial, but 2 may not be. What does 3 mean? You get the longest length. I'm still thinking too much about longest length for now. But the reason is because that actually has a divide and conquer solution. But yeah, I don't know. But I guess you probably can also just do it with like smart stuff. I just don't even have any idea. I mean, that's the problem. Like it's not even like you know. No, I need a little bit of a hint. And all these people got like 5 wrong answers. It's not very, you know. I don't know how my rank keeps going down. Because I thought it timed out a long time ago. I guess some people from getting AC, but still. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I feel like I'm missing one idea around handling different sizes. Can we pre-process it? Okay. I guess we could put that in the prefix, like a thing. Okay, maybe that is the idea then. Okay, maybe that is the idea. No, but then when you break it up. Okay, I mean, okay. Now I think I've solved the one where you have alternating sizes, but you don't change it. But then here, when you break it up, how do you do it? Then it's still okay. Okay, I think that's why it has so many wrong answers. I think this is actually just keeping track of stuff. The circular, at least without circularness, no, yeah, and then it's just about combining and removing components and stuff. Right, so you do, okay. And then it's just implementation after that, right? Okay, I think I get it now. I think I just missed one idea. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's not worry about the circular one first, maybe. Okay. Huh. Okay, yeah, I mean, I think I finally get it, but I don't think I have time to implement it, so. It is what it is. I have to figure out how to do it. Yeah, okay. No, I think this is right, but I guess just a lot of wrong answers. Yeah, I don't think I can implement it in time, but yeah, I've messed up on the prefix something. That makes sense, actually. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So we start by saying, okay. Index 0, you start with 0, right? So let's just say we have all zeros. Okay, and then now we have an add function. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's how I do it. Yeah. This is a little bit tricky, actually. Okay, let's do the non-circular version first, and then we'll hack together the circular version afterwards. So then now we just convert every other letter numbers, okay? Right, so here, so now we have a streak of this. And then now to the left, this is a real change, right? Yeah, I understand it now. Okay, it's just let's just say this is of length n, just to make it a little bit easier. Okay, so then now the previous thing start. Value p length. If it's the same, then it's fine, but now we want to subtract this length, right? Because now we're deleting this. Yeah. Oh, prefix true. Right. Right, so then now we remove it. I think it's remove. Oh, no, this is not what we're moving. We're moving. And then now we want to add back p start, p value, but the length is going to be from p start to index. So it's going to index minus p start. Okay. Oh, okay. And then now it's going to be n start minus index, something like this. I should have gotten this. I feel like I could have gotten this if I had thought about the idea about like half an hour earlier. Well, it's way close. But it is what it is. Wait, not if this is less than n rounding. Okay. And then yeah, and in this case we also want to add, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is the length of the thing, but that doesn't change this. That doesn't change. What am I doing? It's just the next item, right? Okay, yeah. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, so this is the previous value, right? And this to be bisect, right? and then we add a new thing that goes from index to, well, I guess just index, the value, and then the length is going to be relink minus index minus p start, something like this. Right. And then we have to what's it called, binary index tree. I had to find my code for it. I have code for it somewhere. This part is actually not that bad. Maybe. This one. And then now. I mean, this is going to be very well because I have to change some stuff here, but I just want to see what happens if this code is roughly in the right path. I may come back and solve it later. Yes. Okay, so that means that 1, 1, 4. Oh, yeah, okay. But then now I don't change the 0, so that's a little bit... Oh yeah, that's why this is wrong. Because this should be 1. And then... yeah, and then if index maybe something like this, and then index plus 1 p value, and then relength minus index minus p start minus 1. And that's only if index plus 1 is less than SL of S index of 0. Okay. I mean, there are a lot of things to build. That's why, and this is a little bit wrong. If index plus 1 this isn't right. So 5 on 1, but then why does this not kick in? Okay, so that is technically actually more right, but I don't know why this if statement. So if, oh no, it's not index, it's oh, it's this index, but not the S index. Okay. So then now you have 2. If 2 is less than this thing, oh, because, wait. Oh, because now this thing is this thing, so it would never be true because I did it afterwards. Okay, I need to do it before, and also then now this breaks because this is it should break anyway. Yeah, yeah. Index is less than length of SL. then you have this. If it is, then otherwise, well, then otherwise you add index plus 1, the p-value, and then it's just like n minus index or something like this. Yeah, so this, well, maybe this is off by 1. So the contest just finished, so that's why I'm like, you know. Okay, and then now, yeah, I'm just going to do a quick check, honestly, just to see if this. I think so. My idea, no, we have to implement it, but my idea here is just using sorted list to keep track of the alternating things, and once we do that, then we use the prefix tree to kind of get the size of the thing. Yeah, with Fenwick, okay. Man, this code is ugly. What is going on here? Like, why is there so many spaces? But yeah, I think this is basically what I want to do. Yeah. Maybe there's a smarter way. I don't know. The binary index tree is fine. Now this is basically the same idea that I'm doing. I'm just not being smart about it. Yeah, I mean, basically, yeah, the way that I was going to do it is just maintaining it and then using a prefix tree, a binary index tree to kind of keep track of it. Yeah. I don't know that this is quite right. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. This is kind of right, actually. And then the idea here, then, it's just a lot of edge cases. So, yeah. I don't know. I know that I usually upsolve this. I'm gonna upsolve this with a pause because I want to, because the contest is over. I want to record the other videos. I mean, for you, practically it'll just come a little bit later. But yeah, but this upsolve might take a while, honestly. But we'll see. But yeah, but this is the end of the contest video. In the upsolve video, I will do it on its own thing, so you don't have to watch all of it. But yeah, but basically the idea is just to kind of do. I use sorted list to kind of keep track of a lot of things, and then it's just about keeping track of all the components in binary index tree. Actually, not that interesting, but for some reason it took me so long to come up with it. I don't know if I could have finished it, honestly, but I would have gotten a good chunk of the code ready. It's just a lot. There's a lot of edge cases. Even without the circular thing, there are a lot of edge cases, and with the circular thing, there are going to be more edge cases. So we'll probably deal with that. But yeah. But yeah, That's all I have for this one. That's all I have for this contest. Let me know what you think. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Stay good. Stay healthy. Take good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.